Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle web camera on LENOVO V15. To do that, you have to open the Start menu, go to Settings, then go to Bluetooth and Devices. In the Devices list, find Cameras and find your native integrated camera or any other camera that you have connected to your device that you want to toggle. And now to turn it off, click Disable. As you can see, there is nothing on it because the camera has a manual shutter, and if you want to open it, you have to move this shutter to... Oh no, it is actually it has a sticker on it right now, so that's why you can see anything. But basically, to open the manual shutter, you have to turn it, slide it to the right. To close it, slide it to the left. Now to disable this camera, click the respective icon on the screen, click OK to confirm. And now if you want to toggle it on again, click Enable right here. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.